Hey explorers! Welcome to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil's most epic city. With beaches, mountains, and football fever, this place is like a real-life movie. Buckle up for a sky-high tour as we fly through the coolest corners of Rio. Christ the Redeemer. This guy's world-famous. Meet Christ the Redeemer, a 98-foot-tall statue that watches over the city. Built almost 100 years ago, it's one of the 7 new wonders of the world. Standing high on Copacabana Mountain, it's more than just a symbol. It's a spiritual icon and a selfie legend. On a clear day, you can see this statue from almost anywhere in Rio. And from the top, the city looks like a postcard. No wonder it's on everyone's must-see list. Centro, city center. Centro is Rio's time machine. You've got old-school Portuguese buildings next to wild modern towers. Museums, street art, markets, it's got it all. Walk these streets and you'll find cathedrals, giant murals, and tasty street food sizzling on every corner. It's the business hub and the culture zone. From samba beats to banking streets, Centro is the heart where history and hustle meet. It's chaotic, colorful, and full of stories. Copacabana Beach. Copacabana is Rio's happy place. Chill on the sand, dance with the crowd, or jump into a beach soccer match. The energy, non-stop. People jog, bike, and samba their way along the famous black and white tiled promenade. You'll hear music, laughter, and waves all at once. And at sunset, the whole place glows. Whether you're tanning, dancing, or snacking on grilled cheese skewers, Copacabana delivers the vibes. Marina de Gloria, coastal ride. Hop aboard at Marina de Gloria and cruise the coastline. We'll pass by the curve of Flamengo Park, the boats of Botafogo Bay, and the chill vibes of Urca. Ocean views for days. This route shows you Rio's nature meets city magic, Estadio Olímpico Nilton Santos. Time for kickoff at Estadio Nilton Santos. Home of Botafogo, this stadium's hosted Olympic magic and fiery football battles. With a sleek design and a roar that shakes the seats, it's a shrine for sports fans. Locals call it Engenho, and it's where passion lives, rain or shine. Whether it's Olympic track sprints or a last-minute goal, this place feels epic. Ready to shout GOAL? 'Cause this is where legends play. Santa Teresa and Leblon. Santa Teresa is like a rainbow of art, music, and vintage vibes. Windy streets, murals, and that famous yellow tram make it feel frozen in time. Then we cruise over to Leblon. It's beachy, classy, and totally selfie-approved with palm trees, chic cafes, and calm waters. It's where locals unwind. One's boho, the other's bougie, but together they show Rio's style split. Creative charm meets cool calm. Rio's got the vibes, mountains, beaches, football, and fun. Which spot was your fave? Let us know, and join us on our next virtual adventure. From sunsets on the sand to statues in the sky, we hope you had an awesome trip. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more